Good morning students. I am Satish Kumar Sinha, physics teacher of Gyan Niketan Girls School. Today we will discuss the topic different types of forces. Different types of forces. There are two types of force. First one is contact forces. What is contact force or contact force? When two bodies are in direct contact or physical contact and force applied by an object effects on the other object are called contact forces. What are the examples of contact forces? First example is muscular force. What is muscular force? A force exerted by our muscles is called muscular force. As for example, when we lift any body from the ground surface to the any height. Suppose here this is the ground surface and this is a table. This is a table and here one object, heavy object is there. When we lift this object and place over the table. So here this work is done by our muscles. That is force exerted by our muscles is called muscular force. So without contact we cannot lift this object from ground to the certain height over the table. So muscular force is an example of contact forces. The second example is frictional force. What is frictional force? When two bodies are in contact, that is when two bodies are in relative motion, then one body opposes the motion of the other body, and due to the frictional force the speed of the body will be decreases and finally it becomes zero. So frictional force is that force which always opposes the motion of an object, and this is an example of contact forces. Without contact a body cannot move or slide or waltz over the surface of other body. Suppose here this is a horizontal surface and we placed one object. If we apply the force F, then frictional force that opposes the motion of this object in the opposite direction. So here the force applied on the object is in direct contact. So these two forces, muscular force and frictional force, are two examples of contact forces. Now second is non-contact forces. Second is non-contact forces. When two bodies are in no direct contact or physical contact, then force applied on the other object is called non-contact forces. There are many examples of non-contact forces. First one is magnetic force. Magnetic force. What is magnetic force? A force exerted by a magnet is called magnetic force. Suppose here this is a bar magnet. This is the north pole and this is the south pole. If you place another bar magnet here, south pole and north pole, then we will observe that the first bar magnet will attract the second bar magnet with a force without any contact. There is a gap, there is a distance between these two objects. So in this case, the force exerted on the other body without any contact are called non-contact force. So magnetic force is the example of non-contact force. The second example is electrostatic force. Electrostatic force. Electrostatic force. First we take one. Suppose this is a plastic comb and rub with our dry hair. Here suppose this is a plastic pen and rub with your dry hair, and when it taken towards the bits of paper, these are some bits of paper. So this charged plastic comb attracts these bits of paper from a distance without any contact. So here electrostatic force is an example of non-contact force. What is electrostatic force? When a force exerted by a charged body over a uncharged or charged body. Now third example of non-contact force is gravitational force. Gravitational force. What is gravitational force? The force of attraction between any two bodies in this universe due to their masses are called gravitational force. It is also without contact, without physical contact or direct contact. All the bodies are attracted towards the surface of the earth. As for example, an apple always falls towards the surface of earth, and this is an example of that is non-contact forces. Thank you.